Hi, my name is Nur Alifa binti Ahmad Tirmizi. Now I'm going to present regarding cruise control system. First of all, definition of cruise control system is
I'd rather die on my feet with my head held high.
the cruise control is one of the electronic device that allow the driver to press the pedal brake at a certain speed and let out from the pedal. Now we are going through to the important cruise control system. Firstly, it's used for long driving to reduce driver fatigue, improving comfort by allowing for safer position changes on highways and roads not popularized. Secondly, some drivers use it to create awareness to avoid driving a predetermined speed.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Akasha Naim. Will explain about cruise control system. Cruise control system consists of input. Input is a set point desired speed. For controller, it is about cruise controller. For actuator, gas pedal control element. Plant processor, car speed process. For output of the speed of car. Sensor is a magnet and coil sensor. This is a basic block diagram for controller system, cruise controller system. It shows that set point desired speed will goes into cruise control. After that, it goes to pedal controller element to the output. It also have a feedback magnet and coil sensor back to cruise controller. Now, I will talk about advantage and disadvantage of cruise controller system. Advantage of the cruise controller system is useful for a long driver. Reduce driver, improving comfort by allowing professional. It also used for some drivers avoid subconsciously violating speed limit. For disadvantage, it's about speeding around curve that require slowing down. Next, route or looser terrain that cause negative effect that cruise controller. It also have rainy or wet weather could lose traction. That's all, thank you.
My name is Muhammad Haris bin Hashim and I will explain about article that been asked to find in question 3. First article example that I will review is about Chrome cruise control system. This article is written by Audrey Molan, Pierre Melchior and Xavier Muriel.
These two will hereby be executed by decapitation and their heads put on display. Are you ready to apologize? Are you ready to grovel at my feet and beg for forgiveness?
The author states that longitudinal control performed by a cruise control CC system using the Chrome approach can make a better performance than older controller. The advantages of this controller are, firstly, it can be applied to many systems that use smaller overshoot and critical damping ratio. And secondly, It have low overshoot and damping ratio illustrate the stability. Next, the disadvantages of this closed control system. It has damping ratio that can be affected by mass and velocity. Second article example that I will review is about predictive controller for adaptive cruise control system. This article is written by Zhao J, RC Zhao, PK Wong and ZC Zhe. This article was published on 2015. This controller that the author used in the system is Adaptive Cruise Controller with Real-Time Weighted Multi-Objective ACC MPC, RW MPC. The advantages of this controller are firstly, ACC can reduce the driver's workload. Secondly, it can add convenience of the drivers. And lastly, it can lead to a better fuel consumption because MPC can make a longer steady state in terms of eco speed against the weight of vehicle. While for the disadvantages of this controller, it has complex mechanism and high cost in manufacture. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jamal Hafiz. I will explain on how to done analysis on open loop system and closed loop system. From article that we have go through, we are given equation that we need to derive it and apply on MATLAB. First, we calculate and derive the numerator. After we have done calculation process, we write it on MATLAB program and try to run it. The graph that we get is curve shape, and we get the value of rise time, settling time, and peak value. For closed loop system, we need to draw the block diagram just like on the screen. It consists of source, summing junction, PID controller, transfer function and scope. It also has feedback on the summing junction. The value of transfer function is same as an open loop system. We are also using some value of Kp, Ki and Kd. Kp is a proportional gain, Ki is a integral gain and Kd is a derivative gain. This value is need to slowly adjusted because it can influence the graph. The graph should get smaller overshoot to make it on ideal state. Major difference between open loop system and closed loop system is rise time and time taken for the graph to reach steady state. Rise time, settling time overshoot is different from open loop system. should get smaller than open loop system. That's all analysis on open loop system and closed loop system. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hakim. I'm going to make comparison of performance open loop and closed loop system. This is the result that we had done. As we can see, we got the output for the performance of open loop and closed loop system in terms of rise time, settling time, peak time, percentage overshoot, and steady state error. What is rise time? Rise time is time taken for output to go from 0.1 second to 0.9 second of final value. For open loop system, we got the result for rise time is 46.2 seconds, while closed loop system is 3.2 seconds. What is settling time? Settling time is time taken to reach specified range about or find its final value for the first time. For open loop system, we got the result for settling time is 83.4 seconds, while closed loop system is 8.3 seconds. What is peak time? Peak time is the time to reach the peak value for the first time. For open loop system, there is no output for peak time, but in closed loop system is 1.04 seconds. What is percentage overshoot? Percentage overshoot is a maximum positive deviation of the response from its value. For open loop system, there is no output for percentage overshoot, but in closed loop system is 4%. What is steady state error? Steady state error is the difference between actual output and desired output. For open loop system, there is no output for steady state error, while for closed loop system is 0.01